Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this TU01 mini keyboard. Comes in this box where you can see we can use it on PC, on Xbox, even on a smartphone or on a tablet if you have a host adapter, on a smart TV, Android TV boxes and so on, a lot of things. Comes also with short instructions manual, but there's not much instruction needed because it's very simple. It's just plug and play. We have this opening here in the back. We can see it comes with this battery, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. What we need to take out is this receiver, and so we close it nicely after that. We get also this charging cable. It's standard micro USB, so we give it a nice charge here in the back with this port. Then we can turn it on with shifting this to the left side. You can see we have it already working here. Then we plug it in wherever we want to use. And when you're using this for the first time on your PC or so, then you will get a notification that it's setting up your keyboard. You have to give it maybe half a minute or a minute or so till you get the confirmation that everything is ready to be used. I mean, I'm planning to use this on a mini PC where I don't have a keyboard here. It's just a little bit easier to show you how this works. So we have everything. We have left mouse, right mouse, we have multimedia, we have the cursor, we have this nice touchpad here. So I go a little bit to this side so you can see how this works. So here you can see hopefully how this works. I'm moving around my finger and you can see how the mouse pointer is reacting on that, and so I can use it for everything like a normal keyboard and mouse. I can open this just with a press. I can also scroll up and down with 2 fingers. I can even use 3 fingers as a right mouse pointer. You can see that here, worked right away. Then we have the different colors with FN and F2. You can see we have the green, we have the blue, we have the red, or we can have it turned off. So we have everything. We even have the control, we have the Win, we have the Alt GR, F keys, numbers, delete back. We have really everything what we need, really nice. Everything works really good, really cool, as good as it gets, very lightweight, comes with everything, so I can highly recommend it. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.